In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your USA Mobile online banking password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons, I've got you covered. Let's walk through this process together to ensure your account remains safe and accessible. To start, you'll want to head over to the USAA Mobile online banking website. You can do this by opening any browser of your choice and typing USAA Mobile Online Banking into the search bar. Select the official site from the search results. Once you've reached the main page, you'll notice a section labeled Member Account Login prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a familiar login screen where you normally enter your credentials. If you're here, it's probably because you're having trouble accessing your account. Don't worry. Directly beneath the login fields, there's a helpful link that says, I need help logging on. Click on this and you'll be guided to a new page that offers solutions to various login problems, including resetting your password. As you navigate to this page, look for the option titled Reset My Password. It's designed specifically for situations like these. Clicking here will start the process of resetting your password. Pay close attention because the steps here are crucial for regaining access to your account. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. One common way to do this is by confirming your phone number. So go ahead and type your number into the field provided. After entering your phone number, you'll see an option to receive a reset link via text. Select Text Reset Link. This feature provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that only you can proceed with resetting your password. Now check your phone for a text message from USAA containing the reset link. Click the link and you will be directed to a secure page to set a new password. It's important to choose a password that's strong yet memorable. Consider using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. After entering and confirming your new password, submit your changes. And there you have it. Your password is now reset and you can log into your USAA Mobile online banking account with your new credentials. Remember, keeping your password updated and secure is key to protecting your personal information. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to contact USAA customer support for additional assistance. Stay secure and see you in the next video.